Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the EUHOMY Ice Maker and the Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker. Both of these machines promise convenience and efficiency, but they have distinct features that cater to different needs. Let's explore their specifications and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to ice production speed, the EUHOMY Ice Maker takes the lead, producing 9 bullet-shaped cubes in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Igloo model creates 8 cylinder-shaped cubes every 7 to 8 minutes. This difference can be crucial for those who need ice quickly, especially during gatherings or outdoor activities. Portability is another key factor. The EUHOMY Ice Maker features a dedicated carry handle and is lightweight, making it ideal for camping or RV trips. On the other hand, while the Igloo model is compact, it lacks a carry handle, making it less convenient for transport. If you're looking for an ice maker to take on the go, the EUHOMY is the better choice. In terms of aesthetics, the EUHOMY Ice Maker boasts a modern stainless steel design and operates quietly at under 45 decibels, making it suitable for home use without disturbing your peace. The Igloo model, while stylish in aqua, does not specify its noise level, which could be a consideration for some users. Overall, if you prefer a quiet operation and sleek design, the EUHOMY might be your best bet. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Igloo ice makers offer great features for portable ice production. The EUHOMY excels in speed and portability, while the Igloo provides a compact design with a self-cleaning feature. Depending on your needs, either could be a great addition to your kitchen or outdoor setup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.